ìmọ̀ràn mi fún Tinubu nìyí.
And this is my own advice for Tinubu.
Wọ́n ní wọ́n kó bíi 30 billion sí gbogbo state
They
kọ̀ọ̀kan.
said they gave each state 30 billion
Wọ́n lè máa fi empower àwọn state yìí.
so that they can use to empower such states.
Ìmọ̀ràn mi ni pé kó má kó 30 billion fún ọmọ.
My big business is that don't give them that kind of money
Ó
again.
ṣe 10 billion ní state kọ̀ọ̀kan.
If it is 10 billion naira,
Kán fi kó oúnjẹ méjì,
let them use it to bring food,
rice,
2 food items,
flour.
rice, flour.
Wọ́n kó wọ Nàìjíríà.
Let them bring it into Nigeria.
Wọ́n kó sí gbogbo ọjà.
Put it in all the markets
Kí afẹ́fẹ́ lè fẹ́ sí gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà.
so that we can enjoy cool breeze as Nigeria.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá tẹ̀ máa báǹdì ẹ̀ níbáyá.
And if you can ban it later,
Ẹ jẹ́ kó jẹ ìkọ́kọ́ wọlé náà.
let the food enter first.
Fún oṣù mẹ́wàá,
For at least 10 months,
òun ni ìpọ́njú oúnjẹ ti wà.
because we've been suffering
So,
for
tí
10 months.
oúnjẹ yẹn bá wọlé,
And if those food enter,
rice àti flour yẹn,
rice and flour,
ó máa jẹ́ kí oúnjẹ tó kù kó wálẹ̀.
it will make the other food items for the prices to come
Gàrí tó ń
down.
gbé lọ sókè á
The
wálẹ̀.
price of garri will come down.
Gbogbo nǹkan míì tó ń gbé lọ sókè iṣu á wálẹ̀.
The prices of other things that are over the roof right now will come down.
Rice àti flour ẹ jẹ́ kó wọlé
Those
lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀.
rice and flour, let it enter in surplus.
Ó máa tiẹ̀ fara tù wá fún oṣù mélòó kan.
It will even make us to experience ease from some months.
Ọlọ́run dè lè wá fọwọ́ kan Nàìjíríà tẹ́ pé á lè wà ń bẹ̀ á
And
lè
God
ṣe.
will return to Nigeria such that all the prices will be stable.
Ẹlẹ́kejì,
The second advice,
ẹ má jẹ́ ká máa ná dọ́là mọ́.
don't let us spend dollars again.
Anybody tó bá fẹ́ ra nǹkan Nàìjíríà kó mú náírà wá.
Anybody that wants to buy things in Nigeria should come with their
Ìpàdé
naira.
mi lọ sí abroad mo wá dọ́là ni.
When I was traveling abroad, I looked for dollars.
Àwọn tó bá ń bọ̀ sí Nàìjíríà kó máa wá náírà.
People that are coming to Nigeria, let them look for naira.
Epo wa tá ń gba dọ́là ẹ má gba dọ́là máa ń gba náírà.
Our fuel, let them start selling me
Góòlù tá ń tà ní dọ́là ẹ má tà ní dọ́là máa ń gba ní náírà.
in dollars. Let them start selling it in naira.
Gbogbo nǹkan tó jẹ́ ti Nàìjíríà tẹ̀ ń tà ní dọ́là yẹn ẹ pàtì láti
Anything that is produced in Nigeria and that we exchange for dollars, let them come down.
ẹ máa tà á ní náírà.
Start selling it at our local
So náírà
currency
wá
so
strong.
that our naira can gain ground.
Kíkánukú ló máa wá àti ra náírà
So
wá.
looking for ways to buy the naira against any other currency.
Ìmọ̀ràn méjì nìyẹn.
Those are my two advice.
Kí Tinubu máa bá iṣẹ́ ẹ̀ lọ.
Tinubu should continue with
Kó
the
má wọ ẹ̀dùn kó má wọ̀ tó.
Don't look left, right, front or back.
Gbogbo wa èpè kọ́ ló kàn ń sí o.
It is not the right time for us to be
Ẹ
customers.
jẹ́ ká máa fi àdúrà ràn lọ́wọ́.
Let us also support him with prayer
Nítorí èmi àti ìwọ.
because of the well-being of you and
Mo wá
I.
gbàdúrà
I pray
fún ìjọba náà.
for the current
Ọgbọ́n àtìmọ̀
administration,
àti òye dá òfin ṣe
wisdom to do it.
ọ̀rọ̀ àgbéwọ̀ yìí.
Heaven will give to you.